students, see, this is array part 6. In this video we will do one program on binary search technique. Binary search is a technique for searching an element in the array whether it is present or not, but it works on one condition, that is the array should be in sorted position. Means array should be sorted either in ascending or descending order. You can see here one example. I have created one array and this is in sorted position: 17, 31, 49, 55, 64, 78, 87. These are array elements and these are sorted in ascending order. So here total 7 elements are there. So this technique divides the array into two halves, which means the desired element may be present in the first half or in second half. Searching takes place in either half of an array after dividing it into two halves. So since this system performs the search operation by dividing array elements into two halves, so it is termed as binary search. Here one example is given in your here on page number 174. Definition is given. So start from this point. You can write up to this and see your next page. See your next page. Underline this first line and you have to write this also. Binary search technique can be used only when array elements are in sorted order, either in ascending or descending order. Okay, so it always compares the element to be searched with the middle element of the sorted array. If the middle element is smaller, then the search is carried in the last half. Means number to be searched is greater than middle element, then search will be in second half. If the number to be searched is smaller than middle element, then search will be performed in the first half. The middle element of either half is further compared with the element to be searched. This process is repeated until the element is found or the array elements have exhausted in either halves. Here one example is given. You can see these are the numbers and give them positions as 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then you can see here this 0 position, it will be termed as lower boundary and the last position is termed as the upper boundary. Lower boundary and upper boundary. Okay, then how we will get the midpoint? First, lower boundary plus upper boundary divide by 2. You will get the number. This number is termed as P. P means middle element. Then this middle element will be compared with the number to be searched. Okay, so and on the base of the comparison it will be decided that whether the number is present in either first half or in second half. This middle element will divide the array into two halves. Okay, if the number is bigger than this midpoint, then search will take place in second half. If the number to be searched is smaller than this midpoint, then search will perform in the first half. Is it clear? Or in on some place it may be same. Midpoint and number to be searched may be same. Now we will do the program. It is given on page number solved program 5, page number 200 and 201. Here it is given. Okay, now I will explain on my diary. Before explaining, see the statement. Write a program to accept 10 different numbers. The example that I have taken in that 7 different numbers are there. Now enter a number, and by using binary search technique, here name of the search technique is given. So check whether or not the number is present in the list of array elements. If the number is present, then display the message search successful. Otherwise, display search unsuccessful. Use the same message in the end. Okay, now we will begin this program. Class binary search. Before it, we will write one package. Import package. Import java dot util dot static public static void main string args scanner line. New scanner system.in. All of you know up to this. Now array declaration int m. Here 7, so you can write int m is equal to new int 7, or according to question you can write 10. Now variable that you need, int ns number to be searched, lower boundary that is always 0, means beginning of the array. Then upper boundary is ending of the array, that position is 6. Okay, then you need variable I for the for loop. Then you also need k is equal to 0 and p for the midpoint. Now for loop. Before starting of the for loop, we will give one message. System.out.println, enter the numbers in the cell. Cell means here these boxes are cells of the array. Now for loop, for I is equal to 0, I less than 7, I plus plus, and m I is equal to in dot next int. Now we need also one more message. System.out.println, enter the number to be searched. Enter the number to be searched. The number, now we will accept the number that we have to find in the array. To accept it, ns is equal to in dot next int. Suppose ns is 31. Number to be searched is 31. Okay. Up to this, both programs are same. Linear search and binary search, both programs are same. So now main procedure will start while LB less than equal to UB. We have to compare them, na, that's why. LB less than equal to UB. Now get the midpoint. How to get the midpoint? P is equal to LB plus UB divide 2. After dividing 2, you will get the midpoint. Now comparison of midpoint. MP means midpoint in the array M. it can be less than ns. Okay, here we will write one statement. It can be less than ns. If it is less than ns, midpoint is less than number to be searched, means number to be searched is bigger than midpoint, then search will take place in the next half. So if the search will be in next half, it means our upper boundary will remain same, but after dividing array lower boundary will change na, that's why. So new lower boundary will be p plus 1. If midpoint is greater than ns, it means ns is smaller than mp, right? So in that case, if the number to be searched is less than midpoint, it means search will take place in first half. If it will take in first half, then lower boundary will same, but after dividing the array upper boundary will change na. So upper boundary, how we can write? Upper boundary is equal to p minus 1. मिड पॉइंट से एक पहले मिड पॉइंट क्या करेगा, जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा मिड पॉइंट क्या है, 0 प्लस 6 LB प्लस UB डिवाइड 2. मिड पॉइंट हमारा आ गया 3 पे. 3 पे क्या है, ये 55. ओके, 55 क्या करेगा, एरे को दो हिस्सों में डिवाइड कर देगा. ये फर्स्ट पार्ट है, ये सेकंड पार्ट. ओके, नाउ हमारा नंबर टू बी सर्च क्या है, 31. 31 को कंपेयर करोगे p से. p में क्या है, 55. 55 हमारा क्या है, ग्रेटर है 31 से. इट मीन्स ns नंबर टू बी सर्च क्या है हमारा, स्मॉलर है. ओके, मिड पॉइंट ग्रेटर है, नंबर टू बी सर्च हमारा स्मॉलर है, देन सर्च विल टेक प्लेस इन फर्स्ट हाफ. इज इट क्लियर? So in case now we have one new array which will be starting from the same point, but now it will not end on 6, it will end on this p up. So upper boundary will be p minus 1. p से एक पीछे हमारी जो है यहाँ तक बन गई अपर बाउंड्री. ये नया एरे बन गया लोअर बाउंड्री, ये अपर बाउंड्री. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ प्रोसीजर विल रिपीट. Procedure will repeat means cursor will go to again LB and UB. Comparison of LB and UB. हमारा LB जो है वो 0 है, लेस है किससे, 2 से. अब हमारा अपर बाउंड्री क्या है, 2. हमारा लेस है 0 प्लस 2. 2 डिवाइड 2 कितना आ जाएगा, हमारा नेक्स्ट जो है LB कितना है, 0. अपर बाउंड्री P माइनस 1, यानी P पे क्या है, 3 माइनस 1 कितना आ गया, 2. 2 पे हमारी अपर बाउंड्री आ गई, हमारा अपर UB 2 हो गया. अभी मिड पॉइंट निकालो. मिड पॉइंट क्या बनेगा, लोअर बाउंड्री प्लस अपर बाउंड्री डिवाइड 2, दैट इज 0 प्लस 2 डिवाइड 2, 1 आ गया. अभी हमारा मिड पॉइंट क्या है, 1. तो 1 पे हमारा कौन सी पोजीशन है, MP. MP पे हमारी कौन सी पोजीशन आ गई, 1 पे क्या है, 31 C. एंड NS भी क्या है हमारा, 31. So MP is equal to NS. हो सकती है, मैंने पहले भी बताया कि MP NS से स्मॉल हो सकता है, MP NS से ग्रेटर हो सकता है, और जहाँ एक पोजीशन आएगी यहाँ पे हमारा जो है MP is equal to NS. That position we have got. Okay, now what will happen when they will equal, means number is present. If number is present, k become 1 and break means search यहीं पे खत्म हो जाएगी. Is it clear? This is the closing of while. Now if same technique, if k is 1, then system dot out println, what message is given here, search successful. Else system dot out println search unsuccessful. I hope you understood this. So revise this, revise this, and write on your copy with its definition, with the condition, and one question is there, difference between linear and binary search. Okay, read that also, write its definition, plus this program also note down on your copy with the heading binary search technique. Thank you.